Hello students, our today's topic is bank reconciliation. What is the business scenario for bank reconciliation? The account teams wants to know how they can perform bank reconciliation into SAP S for HANA system to ensure that companies' recorded amounts into SAP system are reconciled with the amounts in company's bank statement. They are interested to know any changes which are needed into the current bank master or house bank settings for a bank reconciliation process. What is the bank reconciliation? Bank reconciliation is an activity or process performed by the accounts team to ensure that the amounts recorded into the system are matched with the amounts in the bank statement, such as a customer payment, vendor payment, etc. There are instances when the both amounts do not match and the accounts team then takes necessary action to rectify the issue for mismatch balance. In SAP, there are two types of a bank statement for reconciliation process purpose. First is manual bank statement and another one is electronic bank statement. For manual bank statement, the details of the statement are entered manually, and for electronic bank statement, the statement is uploaded into SAP. Firstly, we will create the basic ledgers. For that, we can use transaction code FS00 or by path SAP S accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records, GL accounts and individual processing centrally. SAP में जाते हैं और लेजर क्रिएट करेंगे. FS00, enter our GL account which we want to create, then click on with template and copy from the our bank ledger. Enter your company code, click on continue. Change the name to bank main account. Now click on control data, sort key 002, then create bank account G005. Field status. Now click on save button, then click on continue button. तो हमने बैंक रिकन्सिलेशन के लिए मेन GL अकाउंट क्रिएट कर लिया है.